In the previous lesson, we solved an equation that requires only one step. For example, if I have x plus 5 equals 12, the same example, we will use the opposite operation. Here, x attached with plus 5. So to find the value of x, I have to get rid of plus 5. So I have to subtract 5 first from the left side and the right side. The left side will be x equals 12 minus 5 equals 7, and this is the answer. But in algebra, problems often became a little more interesting. Look at this equation. You look at this equation, 2x plus 3 equals 11. I have here two problems. The first problem, plus 3, and the second problem, times 2. X here multiplied by 2 and added to 3, and the result must be 11, okay? Now we need two steps to find the value of x. We need to get rid of plus 3 and times 2. Think of like unlocking a door with two locks, okay? We can't open the door until we remove both locks. 2 and plus 3. Today we will learn the simple method used to solve two-step problem or two-step equation. Before solving this equation, we need to remember something first. You remember PEMDAS, the order of the operations, P for parentheses, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction, okay? When we solve equation, we will do the opposite. We are going to go backward, okay? And in the order of the operation, okay, we go forward from B to S to find the result, right? But in solving the equation, I will do the opposite. Okay, I will go backward to solve the equation. To solve the equation, we are going to go backward. So first, I will start with subtraction and addition first. Okay, so we can say subtraction or addition first. Okay, and then D or multiplication, which is in the problem, okay, we will do it. So the second step, M for multiplication or D for division. And the last thing, E for exponent, D for parentheses. Leave them into another video, okay? But in this video, we are going to look to this two steps only. First step, subtraction or addition, which is in the problem, we have to get rid of it first. And then multiplication or division after finishing all the addition and subtraction in the problem. Okay. If we go back to the problem here, I have 2x plus 3 equals 11. 2 multiplied by x. Okay. So multiplication, the second step. No, we have to do the first step first, addition or subtraction. Plus 3, I have to get rid of plus 3. How can I get rid of plus 3 first? Yes, we have to subtract 3 from the left side and subtract 3 from the right side. Okay, so plus 3 with the minus 3, the left is 0. Okay, the left on the left side will be 2x equals 11 minus 3 equals 8. Okay, if there is any addition or subtraction in the equation, no. So we have to go to the second step. The second step, multiplication or division. So the second step to get rid of multiplication. 2 times x. 2 is connected with x, so I have to get rid of 2. 2 multiplied x. So to get rid of multiplication, we have to divide. We will divide by the problem. The problem is 2, so I will divide by 2. Okay. 2 by 2 equals 1. 8 by 2 equals 4. So the left on the left side, x times 1 will be x equals 4. So the value of x in this problem equals 4. Okay, so let's review it again. To solve two-step problem, we have to stick with the opposite of the order of the operation. AS BIMDAS. Okay, the order of the operation. To solve the equation, we have to go backward. S or addition first, and then multiplication or division, which is in the problem, we have to do it. Okay, let's find another problem. If I have 3x plus 5 equals 20, to solve this equation, we have to write the rules first to remember it. Okay. The first addition or subtraction first. The second step, multiplication or division. This is the second step. Okay, so 3x plus 5 equals 20. I will get rid of addition because there is addition here. The problem is 5 and the problem is 3. Okay, so to get rid of 5, I have to subtract 5 from the left side and the right side. Okay, plus 5 with the minus 5, the left is 0. Okay, and 3x. 3x equals 20 minus 5, the left is 15. So 3x equals 15. And the next step, 3 connected with x by multiplication. So get rid of multiplication, we have to divide by 3 on the left side and divide by 3 on the right side. So 3 with the 3, the left is x, equals 15 divided 3 equals 5, because 3 times 5 equals 15, and that's it. Okay, so the result of x equals 5. If I have 4x minus 7 equals 9, write the steps first. A for addition or subtraction, which is in the problem. We have to do it first on the second step. Multiplication or division. We have to do it after finishing all the addition or subtraction in the problem. 4x minus 7 equals 9. First, I will get rid of subtraction, minus 7, and then x connected with 4 by multiplication. I will get rid of minus 7 by add the opposite of minus 7 plus 7 to the left side and the right side. The left on the left side will be 4x, and minus 5 with the plus 5 equals 0. 4x equals 9 plus 7 equals 16. And then the second step, to divide by 4, because x is connected with x by multiplication, so we'll divide by 4. We will divide by 4. 4 with the 4, the left is x, equals 16 divided 4 equals 4, and that's it. 2x plus 7 equal 17. One of the most interesting methods in solving two-step problem or one-step problem or multi-step problem by identifying the problems. The problem is here plus 7 first, and then x is multiplied by 2. So this is the two problems that I have to get rid of them to find the value of x. So first, plus 7. Okay. And then multiplied by 2. Okay. So to find the value of x here, we have to get rid of all this. So we are going to undoing the problems. The problem is plus 7, so I have to subtract 7 from the right side and the left side. Okay, and then the second problem multiplied by 2, so we have to divide by 2 to find the value of x. That's it. So let's do it. So first, minus 7, minus 7, minus 7, plus 7 with the minus 7, the left is 2x, 2x equals 17 minus 7 equals 10. And then we will divide by 2. So we will get rid of 2 by 2 equals 1. The left is x equals 10 by 2 equals 5. And the value of x equals 5. If you have x divided by 3 plus 4 equals 10, I have to identify the problems first. The problems here, x is divided by 3 and added to 4. Okay, so to find the value of x, we have to get rid of the problems. So the first problem plus 4 and then divided by 3. This is the problems to find the value of x here. Okay, so what should you do to get rid of the problems? Do the opposite, undoing it. Plus 4 to find the value of x. So first I have to subtract 4. And the second step, divided by 3, we have to multiply by 3 to get rid of the division. Okay, so let's do it. First subtract 4. Minus 4. Minus 4. Plus 4 with the minus 4, the left is x divided 3 equals 10 minus 4 equals 6. And the second step to get rid of divided by 3, x divided by 3, I have to multiply both sides, the left side and the right side, by 3 to find the value of x. X equals 3 with the 3, go, and 6 times 3 equals 18, and the value of x here equals 18. And that's it. 4x plus 1 equals 13. Pause the video and try to solve these by your own. Four x plus 1 equals 13. To solve this equation, 4x plus 1 equals 13. To solve this kind of equations, we have to identify the problems. The problems here, plus 1, and x is connected with 4 by multiplication, so I have to get rid of multiplication and addition here. But addition, as we agreed, first plus 1, and then the second problem is 4 multiplied by 4 to find the value of x. Okay, so plus 1, I have to subtract 1. Okay, and then times 4 divided by 4. So minus 1 first, minus 1, minus 1. 4x equals plus 1 with the minus 1. The left is 4x. 13 minus 1 equals 12. And the second step divided by 4. So we will divide by 4 on the right and on the left. 4 with the 4, the left is x, equals 12 divided 4 equals 3. And that's it. Now here is a question I want you to think about it. How would we solve this equation? Can we divide by 3? Or should we do something with the parentheses first? This equation introduces a very powerful algebra rule called the distributive property. And that's exactly what we will go into learn in the next session. And see if you can figure it out how to solve this equation before the next video. The homework in the description or in the materials.